With the Alliance grappling with the fallout from the internal betrayal, Elara knew that the path forward was fraught with challenges. The need to rebuild trust within the organization was paramount, but they also had to maintain their momentum in combating the Syndicate's operations. The dual focus on internal security and external threats required a strategic approach to ensure both fronts were effectively managed. As the investigation into the compromised security member concluded, Elara and her team worked to address the vulnerabilities exposed by the betrayal. They implemented enhanced security protocols, conducted extensive briefings to reaffirm the importance of integrity and vigilance, and established a new internal oversight committee to monitor and prevent future breaches. The Alliance also initiated a series of workshops and training sessions aimed at reinforcing ethical standards and building a culture of transparency. The goal was to re-establish a sense of unity and commitment among team members, ensuring that everyone was aligned with the organization's core values and mission. Amid these internal efforts, the Alliance's focus on external threats remained steadfast. The Syndicate's activities continued to pose a significant risk, and Elara's team was determined to neutralize their operations and prevent further attacks. The intelligence network, bolstered by recent enhancements, played a crucial role in tracking the Syndicate's movements and identifying potential targets. One key breakthrough came when the Alliance intercepted a communication indicating that the Syndicate was planning a major operation. The intelligence suggested that the Syndicate was preparing to launch a coordinated attack on critical infrastructure, aiming to create widespread disruption and sow chaos. Elara and her team quickly mobilized to assess the situation and develop a counter-strategy. They conducted a detailed analysis of the Syndicate's plans and identified potential targets. The Alliance's operational focus shifted to preventing the imminent attack and protecting key infrastructure from being compromised. The response was swift and coordinated. The Alliance launched a series of preemptive strikes designed to disrupt the Syndicate's plans and neutralize their capability to execute the attack. These operations involved deploying specialized teams to secure vulnerable infrastructure, conducting cyber operations to thwart digital attacks, and coordinating with local authorities to enhance security measures. Despite their efforts, the Alliance faced significant challenges in executing their counter-strategy. The Syndicate's operations were complex and well-coordinated, and they had established a network of operatives and assets that made it difficult to predict their next moves. The battle against the Syndicate was as much about intelligence and anticipation as it was about direct confrontation. As the operations unfolded, Elara received a crucial piece of intelligence that indicated the Syndicate was preparing to shift its focus to a new target. This information prompted the Alliance to recalibrate their strategy and redirect resources to address the evolving threat. The new target was a major energy facility that played a critical role in powering several key regions. The Syndicate's plan was to sabotage the facility and create widespread power outages, causing significant disruption and chaos. The Alliance's priority was to prevent this attack and safeguard the facility from being compromised. In the days leading up to the planned attack, the Alliance intensified their efforts to secure the energy facility. They conducted thorough security assessments, increased surveillance, and deployed additional personnel to ensure the facility's protection. The team worked around the clock, knowing that the success of their mission was crucial to preventing a catastrophic event. The day of the planned attack arrived, and the Alliance was on high alert. The team monitored every development closely, using real-time intelligence to track the Syndicate's movements and anticipate their actions. The atmosphere was tense, with the stakes higher than ever. As the hours passed, the Alliance's efforts paid off. Their proactive measures and coordinated response successfully thwarted the Syndicate's attack, preventing any damage to the energy facility. The operation was a significant victory for the Alliance, demonstrating their ability to adapt and respond to evolving threats. With the immediate threat averted, Elara and her team conducted a thorough debriefing and analysis of the operation. They reviewed the intelligence gathered, assessed the effectiveness of their response, and identified areas for improvement. The focus was on refining their strategies and ensuring that they remain prepared for future challenges. The chapter concluded with a sense of cautious optimism. The Alliance had successfully navigated a critical threat and demonstrated their resilience and capability. However, the battle against the Syndicate was far from over, and Elara and her team remained vigilant, knowing that new threats and challenges would continue to emerge. The journey ahead was uncertain, but their commitment to protecting global security and overcoming adversity remained steadfast.